Earn free PayPal money by copying and pasting videos. How to do it? Let's find out. PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, Bitcoin, and several additional options are available for withdrawal. This website is accessible from anywhere on the globe and is compatible with your laptop, desktop, mobile device, and tablet. Simply copy a video from this free platform, go to this website, which we have never addressed before, and post your video right here to make free PayPal money, just like these individuals from all around the world. As we can see, people are receiving free PayPal money regularly. Also, keep an eye out for the name of the website, which I will unveil later in this video. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Copy and paste videos to get free PayPal cash. As you can see, I've already made over $300 with this strategy. And to make this much money with this approach, I had to use a few websites. Make sure you remain until the finish so you don't miss any of them and can plan your next steps. Now that that's out of the way, let's move on to step 1. So, the first thing you should do is go to plrminds.com. Again, plrminds.com, and PLR stands for private label rights, so we can get free PLR ebooks, software, articles, and videos from this website. We may download PLR videos for free and sell them anywhere we want without fear of copyright issues. In this video, you will learn how to generate free PayPal money by copying and pasting PLR videos. I'm not going to tell you to sell them or anything like that. And this technique has nothing to do with sales, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or even video marketing. This free technique is really simple and anyone can do it. When you get to plrminds.com, scroll down a little and click on the Join Now option. Click the green button and that will take you to the registration page where you will need to sign up for free. So, they have a gold membership, but we don't need it. We only need the free membership. Click on the free right here, scroll down a little, and you will be able to sign up for free to this platform by providing some information. Now here's an extra tip. While creating your account on PLR Minds, make sure you use your actual email address because you will receive a verification email from them. This is how it will seem right now. You only need to click on this verification link to gain access to your free account. Then we'll go on to step 2. This is how it will look when you have made an account on PLR Minds. They have free ebooks, free images, free videos, free templates, and free software, as we can see right here. Private label rights are available on all of these products. You may download hundreds of different digital products from this website and do anything you want with them, since private label rights allow you to do whatever you want with them. It offers you complete control of them, allowing you to alter, give them away for free, and do anything you want with them, which is absolutely amazing. As a result, you may download a variety of items for free from this website, as well as a license to do anything you want. That is indeed a really wonderful thing. If you need any ebooks, images, or templates, simply go to this website and get them for free. But that's not the point. We're here to earn money by copying and pasting videos, and that's exactly what we will do right now. So the next step is to go down a little bit and look for the free video area right here. I'd like you to go to the link that says Access It here and click on it. Before we go any further, double check that you've finished all of the preceding stages correctly. If you haven't, go back and finish what I've just shown you. You'll become confused and distracted if you don't do so, and this will not work for you. Simply complete all of the instructions until the lesson is completed, and I guarantee you'll be able to earn some free PayPal money. Anyway, as you can see, these are all of the videos that we may download from this website for free. We really receive a free license to resell or give them out when we download them. There's also a website that will give us money if we post them there. So yes, there are several free PLR videos available for download. Now all you have to do is choose a video that you enjoy. You may choose from a variety of options, all of which are available for free download. Now I'm going to choose this video right now. I'm going to click right here to obtain it immediately, which will lead me to the next page where I can learn more about the video. Whether you read it or not, scroll down to see the name of the video, DigiResults Affiliate Explosion, and I can click the download button right here to quickly download the video to my computer. Now that you've downloaded your video, let's go to upload-forever.com, the website that will really give us free PayPal money. Upload-forever.com yet again. This is a website that not only allows you to store various files for free, but also pays you actual money whenever one of your files is downloaded. And as you would expect, we will be uploading our film to this site to get paid. But stay close because I have a free platform that I'll show you in a minute that I utilize to gain thousands of downloads. This website offers several advantages that I'm confident you will love. First and foremost, it is available for Android, as evidenced by the fact that it is right here for you to view. If you're wondering if this app is accessible in iOS, it isn't right now, but I'm sure that will change soon. Another feature of this website that I'm sure you will appreciate is that it can be accessed from anywhere on the globe, so it will function regardless of your location. Finally, if you look at the payment evidence, you will notice that individuals are making money from this website regularly. This is not a hoax website, as has been proven. For 1,000 downloads, you will currently earn approximately $7. And while I recognize that $300 isn't much, I'd like to caution you that earning more than that would be tough. For me, the procedure was a bit difficult. However, I can supply you with a platform that will generate thousands of daily visits. As a result, there's a good chance you'll be able to get some free PayPal cash. By the way, if you enjoy what you've seen so far, don't forget to like it, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell next to it to be notified whenever a new video is published. You will need to register a new account after you've arrived at upload-forever.com. After you've created and signed into your new account, this is how it will look. The next step is to submit the video you downloaded earlier. To do so, simply click here and select Upload Files. Select a file, then locate and play your video. This is what you'll see after you're finished. The next step is to obtain the video's URL. This is the URL to your page. Now all you have to do is copy it. Then you should visit Hercules.com. So this is the platform we're going to use to obtain thousands of free downloads. As you can see, we can obtain 100% genuine traffic by using this platform. Hercules works all around the world and is entirely free. All you have to do now is register on this platform. You will then be allowed to post ads for free. We may post advertising on Hercules and they will be seen by 1,000 individuals per day. It's definitely a piece of cake. To begin, write a topic line in this box. You want to write something that people will notice. Then paste the video URL that we previously copied right here. After that, add an ad body. You can input some information about the video you already downloaded. You can describe the video subject matter, what you can learn by watching it, and so on. Don't forget to add the video URL into the body of the ad as well. It is really crucial. Now press the Add Submit button. That's all there is to it. This advertisement will now be seen by 1,000 actual people. Isn't it wonderful? Well, that's all there is to it. You just want to come to this site every day and post an advertisement. Then you may expect to receive up to 1,000 downloads each day. I truly hope you found this video useful. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.